Hi dear crocheters, how are you today? Our today's video tutorial will be on how to make double crochet. Okay, so let's start. First we will make slip knot. Then we will make chains. After that, yarn over the hook. So first stitch, second stitch, third stitch, and on the fourth stitch we will insert our hook. So we will have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, insert the hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, again, yarn over, insert hook, the next stitch, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, insert hook into the stitch, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Then we make chain of, we finish this row, so we will make chain of 3, 1, 2 and 3, then turn our work, yarn over. So we will not work on this stitch because it's considered as a double crochet, so we will work on the next one. Insert hook, the next, pull up, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Okay, to the next here, and then we should not forget this our first 3 chains. So in the first, on the third chain, this one, we will do a double crochet. Okay, this is our second row. Then we will do chain of 3, turn our work, yarn over. So we will not work in this first stitch, we will work on the next. Insert hook, yarn over, so we will keep doing the same. Okay, so we reached our last stitch. So on the third chain, this one, we will make a double crochet. Chain 3, turn our work, and we will do the same. Okay, so dear crocheters, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give me a thumb up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notification to get notified whenever I put a new video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.